Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the YouTube app and tapping the plus sign, then create a short. You must grant camera and microphone permission, otherwise filters won't show. Once done, pick 15 or 60 seconds and select front or rear camera. Make sure portrait orientation is locked off for consistent framing. You're already inside the Shorts recorder. The key is to use the surface icons now. Don't exit back to the feed. This gets you into the toolset where filters can be applied. Now tap Effects on the right toolbar, then choose Filters. It's sometimes nested under More. You can preview filters live, swipe left and right to compare styles, and hold a filter to see intensity changes. Once you find one you like, adjust intensity sliders if available, or layer with color and beauty effects for a final look. Make sure to test lighting because filters react to exposure. Move the iPad or toggle flash to see how the filter responds before you record your short with the selected filter applied and use the playback preview to confirm the look. Once satisfied, add caption, tags, and visibility settings, then save as draft or publish. If a filter disappears or is unavailable, make sure the YouTube app is updated, then restart your iPad. If that fails, reinstall the app. Also verify camera permissions in settings and check you're not using an external camera app overlay. Those can block YouTube's filter options.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.